Luraco Technologies introduces the 10th generation of medical massage chairs, the iRobotics 9 Max Plus series. While some people may think that massage chairs are all the same, Luraco Technologies sets out to prove that they are not, and that American-made products with American-invented technologies are the best. As a result of the hard work of the Luraco Research and Development Team, Luraco i9 Max Plus Series medical massage chairs have already been awarded 7 U.S. invention patents, with several more patents pending. The i9 Max Plus Series now features cutting-edge patented wireless touchscreen remote controller and warm chair, warm body feature, setting a new standard for comfort and convenience in the therapeutic massage chair industry. The automatic warm chair, warm body feature eliminates the discomfort of cold chairs, allowing you to relax and snuggle into a soothing, warm chair from the moment you sit down. In the past, massage chairs were made with either the L track or an S track. Both have good features, but both tracks also have limitations. Luraco engineers and scientists invented a new split L track. The patented split L track takes all the benefits of an L track chair, where massage rollers continue all the way into the glute area, while also delivering a premium spinal stretch that is found in S track chairs. It is a true engineering breakthrough and shows the power of American engineering. Aside from the unique split L track that the 3D mechanisms travel on, the i9 Max Plus series introduces a first-in-industry patented powered easy entry armrests that slide back by pressing a button, making it so easy for getting in and out of the chair. This feature lets elderly or people with physical challenges have a way to safely sit down while also taking up less space. In addition, the implemented powered actuators in the armrests make Luraco i9 Max Plus series the first and only chairs on the market that provide arm and hand stretch pulling. The armrests grab users' hands and pull, just like a massage therapist pulls your hands during massage stretching. User can open or close the armrest from the remote control, or adjust armrest position for better fitting, or for spot-on hand and arm massages. The i9 Max Plus series also brings more massage roller locations for additional and genuine massage experiences. Luraco introduces new patented rollers for intense calf massages, triple rollers for the soles of the feet, and 4 sections of arm rollers with heat for hands and forearm massages. Luraco i9 Max Plus series also introduces a new patented 3D robotic system with butterfly technology. This new invention creates a new 3D roller motion that cannot be found in any other chair on the market. What is more impressive is that the i9 Max Plus Special Edition, i9 Max Plus Billionaire Edition, and i9 Max Plus Royal Edition come with doubled 3D mechanisms, both with butterfly technology. The second added 3D mechanism was designed with the intention of providing the best neck and shoulder massage for the user. Luraco does not play games with marketing terms, such as calling our chairs anything more than 3D. Please don't be misled by questionable marketing of other brands that call themselves 4D or 5D. There are truly only 3 dimensions in the universe: height, width, depth. And while other brands may call heat, music, speed, and rhythm adjustments additional dimensions, the i9 Plus Max series has them all too. If we wanted to mislead, the i9 Max Plus series would be 7D or more. But Luraco chooses not to intentionally confuse consumers. What else is new with the i9 Max Plus series? It has a new fast and accurate body scan, thanks to a new super high-speed gigahertz microprocessor. When talking about fast, you will also appreciate the updated remote, which is still the most user-friendly controller on the market. Similar to when iPhones first came out, Luraco was the first manufacturer to apply touchscreen technology to massage chairs. Luraco touchscreen remotes have 2 U.S. patents and are not only fast, but they allow for easy, convenient, intuitive operation. And they're nice looking too. Another first-of-its-kind feature of the i9 Max Plus series are the adjustable shoulder and bicep airbags. As there are different sizes of people, there are different heights for where shoulders will be when sitting in a chair. This patented feature allows another way to adjust the chair to a personal body size. Along with the new airbag location, the i9 Max Plus series has improved the airbags for thigh compression, lower back twisting, and an enhanced stretching experience. And some more features that make the i9 Max Plus series massage experience even more relaxing is heat therapy for the hands, lower back, and feet. With all the options to make the i9 Max Plus series a perfect fit, Luraco realized that in many homes there will be multiple people who will be using it. The i9 Max Plus series allows for up to 5 different users to save their favorite chair settings. Imagine that it's like having 5 chairs in one. And how about a chair that responds to what you tell it to do? The i9 Max Plus series has a human voice system that can speak in 7 languages: English, Vietnamese, Spanish, German, French, Japanese, and Korean. The chair comes preset in English, but is super easy to change. And it looks as great as it feels. Luraco made the i9 Max Plus series with all of these outstanding features wrapped in luxury level and car quality full leather, making it unlike any other chair on the market. Rest assured that each and every chair must pass multi-point quality control testing. The i9 Max Plus series uses patented noise reduction technology so that they are the quietest massage chairs on the market, with true zero gravity and clear music sound Bluetooth speaker to maximize relaxation and improve health and well-being. Another superior feature in the i9 Max Plus series is the OTA, over-the-air Wi-Fi lifetime software updates. If a new software version becomes available, Luraco can update the chair remotely. This feature allows user to receive most improved software from manufacturer to optimize the massage experiences. What's even more impressive is that Luraco is the only manufacturer that can offer our customers the customization with additional features and luxury only found in the i9 Max Plus Special Edition, i9 Max Plus Billionaire Edition, and i9 Max Plus Royal Edition. The i9 Max Plus Special Edition included all features of the i9 Max Plus, plus doubled 3D engines with patented butterfly technology for full back, neck, and shoulder massage at the same time. Customized remote screen with owner's name. Personalized leather name tag of owner on headrest. Luraco blood pressure monitor, usually an optional product, but it is included free in this edition. Built-in wireless cell phone charging. Relax your body and recharge your phone at the same time. Backup emergency power to restore the chair position if power is interrupted. The i9 Max Plus Billionaire Edition included all features of the i9 Max Plus Special Edition, plus Level 2 package of software customization, a special embedded software version for keypad PCB, motherboard PCB, daughterboard PCB that allows user to customize the chair performance in all auto modes. Customized remote control software with owner's picture on the welcome screen. The i9 Max Plus Royal Edition included all features of the i9 Max Plus Billionaire Edition, plus 18-karat solid real gold block with the owner's name on the pillow, 18-karat gold-plated trims on the armrest and footrest, 18-karat gold-plated massage robot arms. What's even more impressive is Luraco's best warranty in the industry. Luraco Technologies is dedicated to offering our valued customers the best massage chair buying experience available. As part of this commitment, the company works very hard to provide customers with the best warranty plan available. With the high-quality materials used in i9 Max Plus series and redundancy in system reliability, Luraco is proud to offer the best-in-industry warranty coverage below that no competitors can match. If you purchase the chair for your use at home, you are covered with our 10 years limited warranty that includes 3 years in-house full service, 5 years for parts, and 10 years for leather at no cost to the customer. Last but not least is our safety first policy for our customers. Many people do not realize that the most difficult safety certification in the United States is to pass UL, Underwriters Laboratories, safety standards. While the imported chairs don't even try to use self-certifications, Luraco engineers make sure our massage chairs pass top safety certifications. So owners have a sense of satisfaction in knowing that their chair is safe to use. Find out more about the exciting new Luraco i9 Max Plus Series medical massage chairs by visiting www.Luracochairs.com, calling 1-800-483-9930, or visiting an authorized Luraco dealer near you.